What are you doing? I've been down here before. We're going every other day here on the Adventure Channel. This will be out, I think, December. I think, something like that, but we're going, you know, just kind of October 3rd, 2025, I'm down here by the Mighty Mo. I could walk down that way up and over, but I'm not going to waste good suffering to get up over there. As you can tell, I was going to walk back this way. I've been down before, like I said, back in the archives. I documented how high it was, and how low it was, and how high it was. It used to be a lot of rain early, but we've been liking it back in a drought, so. Come down here. Kind of cool. Up above me is 694. It kind of goes all the way around the Twin Cities. It goes 694 to 494. You can do a circle. The idea would be have a 53-foot semi and soundproof and have a strip club as you drive around inside of it. It'd be epic as hell. Or have a party one, but I could walk up over on the trail over there. Then you walk down over there, but I don't need to go over there. Someone's fishing over there, so I don't need to go way over there. You can bike along the trail here and jog all the way down the Mississippi. I was telling this guy that's fishing over here, I would not whatsoever keep any fish below Monticello, because that's the nuclear plant. And the Ford Motor Company left, I think in 1999, whenever they closed it down, they had to dig out all their paint that they poured into the old Mighty Mo. But if you don't care about the planet, I'm not saying this big and mindless, but I do believe in recycling, and I do believe in taking care of, make it better than I left. You only hear in a blink of an eye, you're gone. See trash. You know, you're gonna go fishing, pick up your stuff, man. It just drives me insane. You guys all know I know the Wonder Hussy. One time, her and somebody else one time were camping. She was doing a video. She's bringing out trash. I was listening to reading a very good book. The Season on the Appalachian Trail. Very good book I read. Not a big book reader, but I read it, and the guy had a shovel with him. He was just digging holes along the way and burying garbage was left behind, because he just, you know, he'd bury it. Because people wouldn't throw stuff away. They don't. You know, pigs. But it is what it is. But you can kind of tell how high it can get when it really flows. Beautiful river, the old Mighty Mo. I've got my rivers mixed up, the Minnesota and the old Mighty Mo. But yeah, a lot of carp. There's some big bass and northern in there, but I wouldn't eat them. If I catch a real big one, I'd simply mount it, but I wouldn't eat it. Carp are fun to catch. They're great for fertilizer. I want to show you how low it is here in 2025, October 3rd. Here he is, ladies and gentlemen, big game hunter. All right. He's so bored, he's on his cell phone. You said all he caught is a carp so far? Yeah. Big game hunter. All right, have a good day, my friend. But just and over there, it's kind of cool. You can get on that off of 94, the exit, and come down that way. There's another area over there. And someone decides to leave this thing behind. I don't know why. Take homework or something. I don't know. You should. Homeless guy or something. Nice little backpack. So, who knows? Oh God, oh, come on, you'll be kidding me, really? Oh wow. Dildo. Nice. There's a torch. Nice. You don't fall over here. That's hilarious. Have at it, right? Some bulldogs are like that. Go down and take some pictures, but just amazing how stuff is, how low it is and how I can get garbage, socks. Because I mean, in the beginning of the season here in June, it was way up. It looked like it was in a bathtub and it was ready to overflow. Then all of a sudden, God decided to cut off the rain, and down she went. There's a couple years when I was down here, maybe 2 years ago. They thought they're, what's those, that cruise line, no kids or no casinos was going to try to come down the Mighty Mo. I'm like, yeah, okay, good luck. So I don't find any dead bodies or any money. Someday I'll find some. Like that one kid that found those bills, D.B. Cooper. The original movie is really good. I saw that back in the 80s. I don't know if he made it or not. He might have. He's up in the woods somewhere hanging from a tree. Who knows? 694. Pretty funny. Big ass dildo. It's hilarious. But great day for walking. I figured come on down and kind of show you guys. You can kind of tell how it's gone down. Right there. Beautiful day for supposed to be. It's like 90 degrees today, but a nice 90, no humidity. It's supposed to be cool next week, so really good weather in October. Still got the fag car out. Yeah, that's a cool little. I like that. Kind of cool. They try to start some fire. Old ass trees here. You can just tell how far it's down. Yeah, I come down here. See if you can catch over there. There's that nice little dock. You can just tell how far the water's down there too as well. The dock. All these cool roots how they're growing. All that stuff. Kind of cool. Start my new airport job tomorrow. I got rid of the other one. Different hours, a little more money. Got sick and tired of the BS, the whining, pissing, and moaning. It's almost like I feel like a daycare for children, grown-ass men and women whining. Because when you have to call somebody, do an all call to somebody else, just call the person directly and they do an all call. And I don't need to hear your problems. Despised. People act like children. Not like I'm a kitchen manager or something at Perkins and you're dealing with different age groups. I get it. Or McDonald's or Burger King or something. Just tell them. Yeah, I was down a couple times. Drove by here. I'm gonna come on down here. I say, I'm gonna take some time off and come on down here. What the hell, right? And also notice views are down on the platform. I personally think it's the ad blockers. That's what's going on. Is they're not counting those, and people that pay for that, the creators don't get the money, and I just think it's a way they're counting stuff. It's like if they're going to block the ads, you're not going to get paid. So I think they, amongst the creators, but instead of getting a whole dollar, you only get 10 cents. careful here. Notice that, I'm like, well, you know, that's the way it is. If I did this for the money, I'd be living in that backpack you saw back there, down under that bridge. I love making these videos. They're fun to make. They don't go very far, but I have fun going out. If one person motivates to get a DJI microphone, go do something, good. You just tell. Golf ball? What the hell? What's this doing down here? Nitro. I was walking down there by Edina down there. I was throwing golf balls on the green. But anyways, you see right there. All right, guys. See you in the next one, okay? See ya.